Hello Leo, how are you? This is your career, money and business reading, mid-year reading from July 2020 to December 2020. So I've already shuffled this card. Let's see, how your half-yearly readings go. Two of Cups. So I feel it talks about joint finance. It talks about an association, partnership. Joint finance, partnership, associations coming for some of you in July. Also, it could be like, mutually you are investing. You're investing money, the joint finances into, share markets or real estate or in your business. So let me see another card for you. Queen of Swords. It talks about, there may be situation where which did not work for you in your recent past, so you are moving away from this situation, you're cutting out that situation, or maybe you're cutting out some people which no more serve you. So it's like cutting away a situation or cutting away people from your life, whether it's related to business. Some of you may be cutting down some staff, or if you have a lot of subordinates, maybe you are cutting down because of the recent past, the losses and huge losses in business due to this COVID-19. Now one more card, Ace of Cups, beautiful card. So I feel for some of you, new job, new career, and and for some of you there's an overflowing of money in business. So I think end of the July you are going to feel maybe something will work out for you. It is not that you will get things in July, it's just that things are getting ready for this situation, the Ace of Cups overflowing situation, slowly and slowly. July, let's see August. This is Six of Swords. Some of you are moving away for a job purpose. You have got a job at another place and you are relocation, or you are moving your business to another location. So to the karma shows, for the better. So let me pick up one more card. Two of Rods. Some of you again are waiting, assessing the situation. Some of you are moving and some of you are assessing situation, how it is like. You are getting all the information needed. You want to move forward, but I think July you're just August you're just waiting and watching things. Maybe you want an expansion of your business, or you want to go for that new job, but you are just taken a step back, or not step back, you're standing and looking at how things are going to come up, getting new perspective on these things. So it's just that you need a little bit of courage and to be bold, and you can move forward. From August, the next month, you could just move forward with this plan. That is from September. Now let me pick one more card, Ace of Swords. So it talks about some money coming in for some of you. It could also mean self-confidence. You are confident, you are feeling good, you are working with full energy and enthusiasm. Also from this Six of Swords, I feel there could be buying, selling of maybe property, or investing in those property. And first, as I see that with that Ace of Swords, there is definitely money or a new job situation coming in for some of you. Let's see September. Five of Rods. Now this talks about there is a dispute, there is a conflict situation for some of you. There are many your people involved in this. Maybe it's an office situation for some of you. They do not agree to your idea, or there is a chaos with that situation. Maybe your partnership, maybe the partner is not supporting you in your business. So for some of you, this is a conflicting situation, chaotic situation with the Five of Rods situation. There could be, you know, health issues, money issues too, with self or family. So here you need to learn to compromise. What I feel with this situation, until the chaos, you need to just compromise. Yeah, Eight of Swords, the same energy, conflict, confused. In September, health issues, not feeling well, low energy, you know, sad. So this is what Leo. One more card. Seven of Pentacles. I feel September is all about hard work. It's about loans and funds. Some of you are in a debt, you know, you need to pay your debt. So with Seven of Pentacles card, I feel that, you know, the whole September you really need to be very hardworking and very focused. So let's go to October. Strength card. So use your intuition. It's not intuition, use your strength. That is, you know, use your mind over heart, use logic. That is what is about strength card. Do not become emotionally, don't take any emotional decision. You know, this is like you can see that if you use your mind, your logic over your emotions, things are going to fall, you know, better for you. So let me go with another card. Four of Rods. Beautiful card. Now this could talk about money being spent on marriage or a, you know, engagement or some ceremonies. Also a sealing, you know, of partnership. Some of you have sealed a partnership, or some of you have got a new job in this case, or you know, or maybe you are spending money on decoration, office, home. So this is what is in October for you. It's about publicity, it's about you know, freedom, and it could be also, I feel that it could there will be travel for some of you. You know, you could have connections with your people with this Four of Rods card. So November, the Moon card. I feel it talks about rivalry, enemies, like people, you could have some enemies at work which you are not aware, so stay alert. There is something hidden issues in November with partnership or in a job situation. So it talks about you know, being alert with the situation. There could be deception. You could be in a stress, things are not clear in November. So there is tremendous pressure also of work. Let me clarify. Tower card. Of course, there is something with the Tower card, something which will not work for you, will just fall down, will crumble. So do not feel you know, very upset about this situation. Tower comes only when, you know, things will never work for you. So it's better to crumble down so that you can rebuild it instead of, you know, putting more time and effort on the one which is never going to work. So Tower card in November. Five of Swords. It's just like giving up on a certain situation. So maybe with the Tower card, you know, once you know that things are falling apart, you may give up on a situation and you will just move forward. Although, you know, giving up without a fight, this is what is called. But with Tower card, you know, Five of Swords, I feel you should do this. Yes, you should give up and move ahead. It could also, so this is, I feel it's about a work pressure month. December. Oh, Star. So this is the Lover's card. So wish fulfillment, feeling happy, material gains, you know, balanced, emotionally feeling balanced, happy, and you know, you get a new job or a new partner which you are, you know, the way you wanted it, like-minded thing has happened to you. Now one more. Five of Cups. Do not be in despair of things which did not work for you. Do not, you know, you are feeling lost sometimes in that world which, you know, so many things, so many losses have happened. You have lost out on a lot of things. So this card is basically come out of that situation, you know, march forward with what you have. But with already love, this is for some of you. With the Lover's card, it's actually a great month for most of you. The Magician. So some of you are wanting to, you know, win. You want to win a situation very quickly. There's a winning streak that you have in you. You are feeling positive. You want to manifest things so fast in December. Some of you might also manifest something, which you never thought it would do. Things would become so quickly. Maybe a job, or maybe business situations come through, and it's like working with magic. Yeah, it just worked as magic for you guys. So hopefully it's an balanced month, except for except for this 5 of Cups energy. So you can see in detail your monthly readings and weekly career money readings that I come up with. And thank you. If you do like what I do, Leo, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.